Voyager 1, humanity's farthest traveler, drifts through the interstellar void, a relic from 1977 carrying our message to the stars. Now, its latest signals reveal a discovery so profound it silenced scientists and sparked whispers of a cosmic encounter. Launched when disco pulsed and Jimmy Carter led, Voyager 1 was a modest probe with kilobytes of memory, built for brief flybys of Jupiter and Saturn. Yet it defied its short lifespan, enduring nearly 50 years to reach interstellar space in 2012, 14 billion miles from Earth. Carrying the golden recorder cosmic greeting of music, words, and math, it was meant to fade into obscurity. But destiny had other plans. In 2025, Voyager sent back data that stunned NASA. Strange pulses and patterns buried in its telemetry, unlike anything in its programming. What began as routine readings turned into a mystery that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Was it a glitch, a natural anomaly, or something deliberate? Stay with us, because Voyager's discovery could change how you see the universe forever. Engineers at NASA's Deep Space Network first noticed the anomaly. A rhythmic pulse, looping with geometric precision, unlike random cosmic noise. Diagnostics ruled out solar interference or aging hardware. The signal's structure pauses, variations, and embedded data felt coded, as if Voyager had activated a dormant part of its system. One engineer, speaking anonymously, described it as, like Voyager passed through a curtain and something touched it back. The signal didn't match any known protocol, suggesting it wasn't from the probe's original programming. Instead, it hinted at an encounter, a response from the void. NASA's secure labs analyzed the waveform, finding voids gaps in the data stream where information should exist but didn't. These gaps formed a pattern, pulsing like a heartbeat, defying all known cosmic phenomena. The interstellar medium, where Voyager now drifts, was thought to be a sparse void. Yet its plasma readings spiked, temperature gradients fluctuated wildly, and magnetic fields showed impossible distortions. The data suggested spatial compression and dilation, as if space itself was bending around the probe. Some theorized Voyager had entered a natural warp, a space-time distortion caused by unknown forces. Others proposed a bolder idea. The distortion was artificial, triggered by Voyager's presence. The timing of these anomalies aligned with the strange signal's onset, raising a chilling question: had Voyager crossed into a domain shaped by an intelligence beyond our comprehension? When human analysis faltered, NASA turned to a private quantum AI lab under a classified partnership. The AI, tasked with decoding Voyager's raw data, uncovered a visual pattern, a spiral lattice, resembling a DNA helix, but woven from frequencies and harmonics. This sonic blueprint didn't originate from Voyager's memory or software. It was alien to the probe's design. More shockingly, the AI traced the signal's origin to a point far beyond Voyager's position, suggesting it was an echo bouncing off something massive and invisible in deep space. The structure's complexity, encoded with prime numbers and harmonic ratios, mirrored the golden record's universal math, as if something had received our message and replied in kind. This wasn't noise, it was a deliberate response, bypassing language for the cosmic grammar of numbers. Engineers scoured Voyager's archival sensor data, focusing on its low-band infrared and magnetic resonance arrays, as its cameras were long deactivated. One overlooked infrared snapshot revealed a crescent-like shape, unnaturally sharp against the cosmic backdrop. Enhanced and cross-referenced, it showed a slow trajectory relative to Voyager, as if shadowing the probe. Not a rock or cloud, it suggested structure and intent. Dubbed Echo, Theta, in a leaked file, the object sparked debate. Was it artificial, perhaps a dormant probe, or a fragment of something vast? Its presence, matching Voyager's pace, hinted at something aware of the probe's journey. If Voyager's encounter has you rethinking the cosmos, share your thoughts below and subscribe to follow this cosmic mystery. What lies in the interstellar void? The most unsettling discovery was a shift in Voyager's internal clock, not from mechanical failure, but from time itself stretching and contracting. Seconds warped, pulses shortened, syncing with the anomalous signal's rhythm. Time dilation, typically near black holes, shouldn't occur in empty space. Yet Voyager's data suggested it passed through a field mimicking gravitational lensing without massa phenomenon requiring forces or technology we can't name. Some proposed Voyager crossed a liminal threshold, a region where physics bends, allowing something to leak through. Theories ranged from a natural space-time anomaly to an artificial construct, perhaps a beacon or sensor left by an ancient intelligence. Then, abruptly, Voyager went silent. For 48 hours, no signal reached Earth, despite NASA's frantic reboot commands. When contact resumed, the probe sent a brief burst ending in 3 evenly spaced tones, not part of any diagnostic code. To engineers, it felt ceremonial, like a farewell not to Earth but to our understanding of reality. One NASA veteran whispered, "It's not failing, it's changing." The tones, some argued, were an invitation or a countdown, hinting at a threshold Voyager had crossed not just into interstellar space, but into awareness. Voyager's data suggests it didn't just encounter a phenomenon, but a presence. The rhythmic signal, the spiral lattice, the time distortions, and the crescent shape point to something structured, perhaps intelligent. Was it a relic of an ancient civilization, a network woven into space-time, or a form of awareness beyond life as we know it? The golden record, meant to declare our existence, may have been answered not with words, but with a cosmic echo. Internal NASA memos, shrouded in secrecy, reflect unease, not curiosity. The silence from top scientists and the classification of key data hint at a discovery too profound for public release. Some fear it could spark panic or be dismissed as fiction, yet the patterns are undeniable. Voyager 1, a machine from a bygone era, wasn't just a witness to the void, it may have triggered a response. The signal, the voids, the time shifts, they suggest the universe isn't empty but alive with intent. If something noticed Voyager, it means we're not alone, and perhaps we never were. The question isn't just what Voyager found, it's whether it was meant to find it, or if something was waiting all along. As we analyze its final whispers, one truth emerges. This wasn't a discovery but a door, opening to a cosmos far stranger than we dared imagine. Watch next as we chase the secrets Voyager 1 is unveiling from the interstellar edge. Share your theories in the comments, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay with us on this journey into the unknown.